Dollar Car Rental Rewards Program Overview. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For Dollar Car Rentals Rewards Program Overview, you'll find points, free days, and rules. You'll find free authorized additional driver, quicker reservations, earn free days with Dollar Express rewards, and you will be able to join the membership for free. No fees, dues, or contracts. You can simply click on the page Join Now option and add your information, and you will be joined or enrolled quickly as possible. And other, you'll earn points, which is $1 equals 1 point, free day redemption, 500 points, weekend, 625 points, weekday. You also find points expiration, it rent at least 1x in 24 months. And while renting, you'll find e-return, drop the keys and go, free authorized additional drivers as you want as well. And this is Dollar Car Rental Rewards Program Overview. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.